What's up, guys? Like I said before, we're in Disney, and today I'm gonna be taste testing not Disney, Florida, but today I'm gonna be taste testing the Disney brownie thing. Bless you. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a wooden case. I thought it was just styrofoam or something. It's like little cubes. Well, not cubes at all. It doesn't look anything like cubes. Alright, here I am. I'm gonna taste it. Look at that thing. What is that? A shooting star? No, it's just a plane. Yeah. It just tastes like regular brownie. I like the shape of it though.